Unlock hidden wealth with freelance gigs. Many thousands are sitting on a goldmine unaware. This goldmine represents your unique talents and available time, waiting to be discovered now. We're unlocking hidden wealth through freelance gigs. Welcome to Net Cash Secret. Turn your hustle into income. Freelancing simply means offering your skill to potential clients online and then getting paid. Whether it's writing, graphic design, or simple data entry, there's a paying gig for everyone. The beauty of freelancing is the freedom to work from anywhere and earn what you deserve. Start small, maybe with a $10 gig. Deliver it professionally, always focusing on quality. Once you earn good reviews consistently, your profile naturally attracts more opportunities to you. Soon enough, you can charge higher rates and easily get repeat clients regularly. Small freelance gigs unlock big wealth, transforming your skills into a thriving income stream for you.